Welcome to SalesCaptain. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set your business hours in. Let's get started. Let's head over to your settings. Click on Settings in the left sidebar, then select Business Profile. This is where you'll manage all your core business details, including something that's easy to overlook but actually drives a lot of your automation: your business hours. Now scroll down until you see the Business Hours section. This is where you tell SalesCaptain exactly when your team is available. Go ahead and toggle on Monday through Friday. Just click each day to activate it. Now let's toggle on Saturday. Maybe you keep shorter weekend hours. Go ahead and set Saturday to 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can customize any day independently, so your weekend schedule doesn't have to match your weekday hours at all. Scroll down a bit further and you'll find the After Hours message text box. This is what your AI agent sends when customers reach out outside business hours. Hit save and you're all set. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.